Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this Nissan Juke Premier Edition. This Juke is powered by a 1.6 litre petrol hybrid engine that produces 141 brake horsepower with automatic transmission. It's finished in this gorgeous black paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you'll find the 19-inch Glossy Black alloy wheels, and to the front the powerful LED headlights that keep the roads well lit. Coming into the boot, and you'll find the Juke offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats and a privacy screen. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with a lovely leather seating, which feature ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you'll find a USB port. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as a USB port, cup holders, and storage inside the armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth, aux and USB connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. And navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system. And this Juke comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Nissan Juke Premier Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.